technique we're going to work on now is the side kick to spinning hammer fist, spinning back fist. Now I'm going to let Brittany teach this move. She's done really well with this move in sparring, so we're going to let Brittany take it down. So.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to stand in the orthodox stance, and we're going to start with the low side kick, and with that we're stepping in, and we're kicking out with that low side kick, and as we do, we basically bring our step down, and that becomes our step for our next technique, which is the spinning back fist. So from here, once you step down, then you start to spin, and you want to spot your target from here, and bring that fist up. Now from here, you can come all the way around back to your orthodox stance, or you can stop it here in a southpaw stance. Alright, so the application of this technique, you're squaring up with your opponent, say you see them starting to come in, you can do that side kick down, and then to reach them, you can do the spinning back fist after they start to back up from your kick.